Right now, as you watch this, Earth is spinning at incredible speed. But what would happen if it suddenly stopped? Just for 1 second? At the equator, Earth's surface spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour, faster than a jet plane. That speed is what gives us day and night. Here's the key idea: inertia. Just like a ball flies forward when a car brakes suddenly, everything on Earth would keep moving, even if the planet itself stopped. The atmosphere doesn't stop with the ground. It keeps moving at that same incredible speed, creating supersonic winds strong enough to flatten entire cities. The oceans keep moving too. All that water momentum would surge forward, creating massive tsunamis that sweep across entire continents. Buildings, cars, even people, anything not firmly anchored to the ground would be hurled forward at hurricane-plus speeds. In reality, stopping Earth's spin instantly would require an almost impossible amount of energy, which is why this is a thought experiment, not a real risk. And here's the twist. Even if Earth started spinning again after just 1 second, the damage from that sudden jolt would already be done. So, 1 second of stillness might sound harmless, but thanks to inertia, it would unleash winds, waves, and destruction on a planetary scale. Earth's spin isn't just background motion. It's the invisible force holding our world steady. So don't worry. Earth isn't planning to slam on the brakes tomorrow. Your morning coffee is still safe, unless you drop it. See you in the next impossible question.